The video of me pulling the rat rod out of the garage yesterday got 956 views. To put that into perspective, look at the white numbers bottom left-hand corner of all the other older videos. You know what that means, don't you? It's named right. Thank you. Then I took it for a drive around the block. And I was creeping down the driveway, checking my brakes, and looked across the street, and there's, um, what's her name? I don't know, she went to Bitch University, and he was out there too, mowing the grass, and I noticed he looked up, he turned off the lawnmower, and started running up to the house, and then he looked over at the wife, and he broke his stride down to a walk, because she doesn't like me, and he knows it. And then out comes him with boy, and couldn't have been better. Now the bitch hates her husband and her son because they freaking love the rat rod.